Hey there, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for many of us, the financial reality of retirement and how it stacks up when you hit that milestone age of 65. It's a complex issue, but one that's incredibly important to understand, especially if you're planning for your future or already enjoying your golden years. So let's get into it. First off, let me give you a quick overview of the average Social Security benefit at age 65. On average, retirees receive about $1,607 per month, which is lower than the full retirement age benefit. Now, this amount varies based on gender, with men typically receiving a bit more than women. But here's the catch. This amount is not enough to fully replace your pre-retirement income. In fact, Social Security was never designed to do that. It's more of a safety net, as Daniel E. Milks, a managing partner at Fiduciary Organization, puts it. So what does this mean for retirees? Well, it often forces them to make some tough choices. Many have to rethink their spending habits, adjust their expectations, or rely more heavily on their retirement savings. And this is where things get interesting. Let's talk about the typical 401k balance for someone aged 65 to 69. According to Fidelity, the average balance is around $252,800. Now, if you follow the 4% rule for withdrawals, that's about $10,100 in the first year of retirement, or roughly $800 per month. Combine that with the average Social Security benefit, and you're looking at around $2,400 per month. But is that enough? Justin Pritchard, a certified financial planner, says that the average retiree might not be in the best financial shape. And he's right. In higher cost areas, this average income might not cover all the typical expenses. It's a grim reality, as Scott McClatchy, a senior wealth advisor, puts it. Many retirees are forced to make tough decisions, like cutting costs, downsizing, or even relocating to a lower-cost area. But here's an interesting point. Some retirees can make it work, especially in lower-cost areas. They might have to be frugal, but it's doable. It just goes to show that retirement planning is a highly personal journey, and one-size-fits-all solutions don't exist. So what can we take away from all this? Well, for starters, it's crucial to plan ahead. Maximizing your benefits and managing your spending are key, especially if you're already retired. And for those who are still planning, consider the potential gaps in your income and how you might bridge them. One option is to delay claiming your Social Security benefits until age 70. By doing so, you can lock in the maximum benefit thanks to those delayed retirement credits. It's a strategy worth considering, especially if you can manage without those benefits for a few more years. In conclusion, the financial reality of retirement at age 65 is complex and varies greatly depending on individual circumstances. It's a topic that deserves our attention and careful consideration. I hope this breakdown has given you some food for thought and perhaps even inspired you to take a closer look at your own retirement planning. Until next time, stay informed and keep those retirement dreams alive. Insert a lighthearted sign-off or a call to action for viewers to share their thoughts in the comments.